Guys, it's Mrs. Saucetta. I'm here to show you how to complete your Forms of Energy graphic organizer. So right now you are in the Digital Texas State Museum of Energy. You'll notice that there's 1, 2, 3 pictures on the walls and 1, 2 doors that you can enter through. You're going to start by clicking on the picture of fruit, which is our potential energies. You should also have your document open at the same time. So we want to look for types of potential energy. This is stored energy. We're looking for 5 types of potential stored energy. So when you look through here, it gives you 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 types of potential energy. You're going to use those to fill out your organizer. Make sure you take some time to read over the whole web page, and you may take some time to play with the interactive if you would like. Now that we've filled out our potential energy, you can move on to kinetic energy. So now you're going to go and click on the picture of lightning for kinetic energy. We need 5 types of kinetic energy, energy in motion. On here we have radiant, thermal, sound, electrical, and mechanical energy. Make sure you read about all 5 types of kinetic energy, and then fill it out here in your Google Doc. Now we need to look at the different types of energy. So in here you're going to give me the definition and an example of each type of energy. So let's go back to our museum, and we're going to look for types of energy. Types of energy. We'll go to our types of energy room. Types of energy. Now, we need to click on each picture so we can learn about each type of energy. Some will take you to a video. Some will take you to a reading. Make sure that when you're watching the video or doing the reading, that you are looking for the definition of the type of energy, as well as examples of the type of energy. So radiant energy is energy that travels in waves, or sometimes particles. Examples of radiant energy would be heat and light. So you would go over here to our radiant energy, give me the definition, and give me the examples. You're going to do this for all 7 types of energy. And then the last thing you want to do for types of energy is tell me what Mrs. Cent stands for. And it tells you right here, Mrs. Cent stands for mechanical, radiant, sound, chemical, electrical, nuclear, and thermal energy. Once you're done with the types of energy, you need to go to energy transformations. And you're going to give me 6 energy transformations. So we're in types of energy right now. We're going to hit the exit sign so we can go back. And now we need to go to energy transformations. Make sure you read what to do. The first thing you have to do is click on the tablet to watch a video. Then you need to click on the book to read. And then you're going to click on all 4 images to play the activities. You need to spend extra time on the book so that you can fill out your Google Doc. I need 6 specific examples of energy transformations. So your energy transformations, it gives you 2, 4, 6, 8 energy transformations right here, as well as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 additional examples of energy transformations. You just need to pick 6 of those energy transformations and write about them in these 6 boxes. Once you're done with your energy transformation, make sure that you click on all 4 images and play all 4 activities. Once you're done, you can go ahead and exit out. And if you have finished everything, then you may exit out of the museum.